Hello everyone. I use photo transfer app to transfer photos from my iPhone to my Windows machine. Now photo transfer app helps you wirelessly transfer photos and videos from your Windows machine or your Mac to your iPhone, to your iPad, to your iPod or your Android devices. Or you can transfer from your Android device or iPod, iPad, iPhone to Windows or Mac. I think we can also transfer between iPhone and Android devices using this app. Since I am on Windows machine, I have iPhone, I have already have this app installed on my iPhone. I'm going to download the version from my desktop. So I'm going to go to desktop, click on Windows app. Now I'm going to use Windows app. Let me click on download now, and it is going to transfer me to the card. Alright, I'm going to open the Microsoft Store. Alright, you need to install it, and once you install it you can click on open from here, or you can go to the desktop and open it from there. Alright, I have this photo transfer app. I'm going to click it. It's going to open up. This is you can try the free version of it, and if you like it you can you can pay one-time fees to have this software. So I'm going to open photo transfer app on my iPhone, and there are two options, send or receive. I'm interested to send it, so I'm going to hit send, and I'm going to select, since it is my Windows machine, I'm going to select Windows. If I would had the Mac, I would have pressed Mac. If I have Android device, I would select the device, but since now I am going to send it to my Windows machine, I'm going to select that. If I want to send something to Dropbox or Google Drive or OneDrive, I also have that option. So I'm going to press Windows, and I'm going to click find devices here. Let's see if it detects it. Alright, it says my phone is detected. I'm going to click it, and as you can see, my photos are here, my live photos are here, and I have the videos folder over here, and some from WhatsApp and some screenshots. So I can click on it and just click on it and download it to my, let me download full resolution to somewhere on my computer. Let's just say downloads section, and that's it. Let me open my folder, and there we go. I have my image, which is this, and this is going to be the full resolution image. Now let's just say I want to transfer a photo which is in my documents folder to the my good folder. So I'm going to double click here and click on upload, and I'm going to go to documents, and I am going to select the one image and upload. So it says that success message. Now if I check my photos on my iPhone, I see the image over there. Wow, that is pretty much it from this video. I would love to see you again. I hope that you will find this video useful. Have a good day. Bye.